Welcome to the Postgraduate Research Training Resources, published by AGILE Research Limited. My name is Sandra Mandic, and I'm the author of these videos and the Compass Guide books for beginners and postgraduate students. These materials have been designed to help you navigate the research process smoothly and successfully complete your research project. Buckle up and enjoy the learning journey. This short video is about how to write a literature review. Literature review or background section of a research report provides the context for your research. This section summarizes what is already known about a particular topic, identifies missing information or knowledge gaps, and provides rationale or justification for your planned research. The process of writing a literature review will help you develop and refine your research question. A well-written literature review has a good structure, high-quality content, relevant references from credible sources, and a clear writing style. Let's have a look at how to structure or organize your literature review. Start with a brief introduction section that provides the big picture context for your research and outlines the importance of your research. Organize your literature review using key themes and sub-themes to summarize the current knowledge related to your research topic. Provide a critical analysis of the existing evidence by analyzing strengths and limitations of previous research and identifying knowledge gaps. Your literature review should provide a strong rationale for your planned project. End your literature review with summarizing existing evidence and knowledge gaps and outlining future research directions. Cite relevant references in text and include a reference list at the end of your review. Writing a literature review for your research project takes time. Having a clear research question and a good structure of the literature review are essential for guiding your literature search and writing of your review. Focus on the literature that is relevant to your research topic. Here are some tips for writing effective literature reviews. Many of these tips are also relevant for writing other sections of a research report. Use subheadings. Subheadings provide a structure to your literature review and help a reader navigate through your work. Organize your literature review in a logical sequence. For example, it is a good idea to structure literature review to flow from generic or big picture topics to more specific topics. Write clearly. This is essential. Your writing needs to be understood by others. If you're receiving feedback from others that the meaning of certain sections or sentences are not clear, revise them even if they seem clear to you. Follow the guidelines for preparing your literature review. Your institution and scientific discipline may have specific requirements for literature review or background section of the research reports. Requirements may be related to the section length, format, font, etc. Follow the guidelines. Reporting of references vary considerably between scientific disciplines. Use reference format that is common in your discipline. Limit the use of abbreviations, ideally no more than 5. A written document with too many abbreviations is difficult to follow. Spell check and proofread your work. This is an easy way to increase the quality of your writing. Readers get distracted and sometimes annoyed when they come across spelling and grammar mistakes in academic and professional reports. Keep writing as you're searching for and reading the literature. Do not wait until you have read all the articles related to your research topic before you start drafting your literature review. Keep in mind that the literature reviews develop from one draft to another. Do not expect the first draft to be perfect, and do not try to make the first draft perfect. Use all feedback that you receive to improve the next draft. For more guidance, refer to the Postgraduate Research Training books for beginners and postgraduate students. Both books are available for purchase on AGILE Research website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Check also my other videos on YouTube channel Postgraduate Research Training and sign up for AGILE Research newsletter to receive our updates. Happy learning!